There was once a man who lived in Persia. He had never gone to school and lived a very simple life. His heart was good and pure and full of love. More than anything else in the world, he longed to see Baha'u'llah. One day, he could bear it no longer and set out on the long, hard journey to Akka. He traveled along dusty roads, across dry deserts, overseas, and eventually arrived at the house of Baha'u'llah. Baha'u'llah was very pleased to see him. He opened his arms out wide and warmly welcomed him. The old man stayed for many days, and Baha'u'llah showered him with love and kindness. Everybody missed him when he left to return to Persia. Some time passed by. One day, one of the believers brought a pile of letters that had been sent to Baha'u'llah. Baha'u'llah knew that one of the letters was from that dear old man who had arrived safely back in Persia. He told his secretary that he wished to read that letter before he read the others. The secretary hunted through the piles of letters and opened up the envelope. Inside was just a plain white piece of paper. Nothing at all was written on it. But Baha'u'llah was very pleased. He said that when a person's heart is pure, there is no need for words. He knew what the old man wanted to say, even though he had not written anything. Then Baha'u'llah wrote to him a loving letter in reply and answered all of his questions. There are those moments in life that come to us every so often, when we are in so much joy, so much peace, and in so much awe of God and His creation that we have no words to express our emotion. Likewise, there are also instances when we are in so much doubt, so much lack, and in so much sadness that we cannot put into words our needs and heartaches. However, no matter the situation, no matter the emotion, and no matter the speechlessness, if we offer up even wordless prayer, as vacant as the old man's blank piece of paper, the very act of reaching out in faith with pure and goodly intent will undoubtedly solicit a response from the heavenly realms. Be ever prayerful, be ever faithful, be ever expectant.